let's take a look at keyboard shortcuts in QGIS on the Mac. I've got QGIS open, I've got a world map layer, so I'm going to go up to the top and settings and then keyboard shortcuts. That's where you'll find it on the Mac. When you open this up, you'll see probably a smaller window, so make it bigger so you can see more of it. And then you'll see an action list on the left and the shortcut for that action on the right. If I click shortcut once and then again, it's going to sort the shortcuts, so we'll see all the assigned shortcuts for different actions. And on the Mac, for example, toggle full screen mode is F11, refresh, as you may know, is F5, open an attribute table is F6, layer styling panel, to open that is F7. So just take a look at these, you can scroll through them, there's loads of different ones. Some of them you may know or have come across, other ones you might not. And if I scroll down, you can see we have loads assigned. So for example, if I look at this one, show style panel, that's command 3, and show browser panel is command 2. So let me close this and I'll do command 2, and the browser panel on the left turns on and off. There's other ways to get it back, but that's a quick keyboard shortcut if it's missing. Command 2. Now command 3 will turn the layer styling panel on the right. I'll do it again. Also the F7 key does that too, so if I press F7 on my Mac, it will appear. So there's 2 keyboard shortcuts assigned for that particular action. If I go back one more time to settings and then options, or keyboard shortcuts, sorry. If I want to assign a keyboard shortcut to something, so for this one about, there's no shortcut assigned to it. If I go to change, it will say input, and then I can just press the keystrokes I'd like to use. Now, I just showed you one for the layer styling panel. It's got 2 keyboard shortcuts assigned to it. So for this one, I'm going to do command 3. And it says this is already assigned to action show style panel. So I'm going to reassign this so that command 3 now opens the about window. So I'll click yes. But usually it's best, I suppose, to choose keys that aren't being used for something else. But in this case, it's already been used for 2 different things. So I'll click yes. And now we see for about, command 3 is what I'll use. So I'll close this. I'll press command 3 and then I get the about window popping up. So that's how to see the keyboard shortcuts in QGIS on a Mac, and also how you can assign your own ones.